Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix World of Tanks game crashing, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So for that, go to Steam. Now here you have to, in the store page, you have to search for the game, and after that go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the specs that is required to play the game, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, now launch the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If not, next method is to allow the game through Firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now click on Firewall network protection, click and allow an app through Firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. So let me search for the game over here. So game is listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, and after that go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application and add it. After that, select, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then you can come across such kind of issues. So what you need to do is you have to check first whether the game is on SSD or on other drive. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here. Now click on settings. Now here you have to click on storage, and here you will find the game whether it's on the SSD or not. So if the game is not on SSD, so you have to simply select it and then click on move, and after moving your game to the SSD, now try to launch the game and check if it helps. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to play the game and see if it is working now. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Wait for some time and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, again go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So here is the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If it doesn't resolve, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 7 or Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it is working now. But if this issue still occurs, again come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads. After that, go below. Here you have to click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. So this will state that this will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So simply confirm it, and after that restart Steam and log into it once again and then click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to check if any apps is running in the background. So you have to simply select it. Now after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After doing this, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to delete temp files. So what you need to do is press Ctrl+ R and here you have to type temp, press OK, and now whatever the temp files you are seeing over here, simply you have to select it and then click on the delete option, and after deleting the temp files, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and wait for some time unless it shows. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Now once it is disabled, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options from here. For discard overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. Here you have to click on the download link. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Simply click on it and wait for some time. After this, close it and now restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check. If not, next is to update system BIOS. So for that, first check your motherboard model. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing, and finally restart your system and test the game whether it's launching or not. If not, next method is to install DirectX. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, click on the download option. This will download the DirectX on your system. You have to simply install it. After installing it, restart your PC once and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Add it to the list. Now after adding it, go below. Here is the game. You have to simply click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Now after selecting high performance, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall World of Tanks game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and now reinstall World of Tanks games, and after it is installed, click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions to resolve World of Tanks game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.